What's up, everybody? Wanted to make a video about my journey into double club mills. I just started this a couple weeks ago. I think just barely 2 weeks now, but I've only done like 3 or 4 sessions practicing it, and it is tough. So I'm doing like what traditionally was done with Persian meals, I think is how you say it. They're the great big wide wood clubs, and they do 2 of them at a time, and you got a lot of like just over the shoulder work that people do. But I'm trying to do a full in front mill with both arms at the same time is kind of the direction I'm trying to go, and it has been a very humbling experience. So I got my 2 Cadi Clubs, 3 2.5s on the end with one of the extended loading pins. They're about 15 pounds each, and so that's between the pair, 30 pounds. So I think 14 kilograms total for the 2 of them. And I just wanted to go over kind of how I've been practicing it. I'm by no means an expert. This is all just me winging it and trying to learn how to do it on my own. I haven't really watched any tutorials or anything. I'm sure there's tons of great information out there, but this is just how I've been doing it. And what I did was I just started with the 2 clubs, kind of get used to this feeling, and then slowly just start practicing just over the shoulder. I did a couple sessions doing this, trying to get to where, it was pretty comfortable and everything felt like it was moving good. I just was totally stunned by the arm pump I was getting out of this. Like, I couldn't believe it. And most of the time I've been practicing this follows my legs and arms strength training sessions. So I'm already like pretty fatigued in my arms when I've been doing it, which is even better, I think. But it's a lot harder than I would have thought. So anyway, that's the first step, was getting that to where that felt comfortable, and then doing kind of one at a time, doing a mill. And you'll see with the rotation of the body is where this works good, doing them both at the same time. Not right now, but you'll see in a second. So that was the second phase, was practicing doing just a mill one at a time, still holding the other club, which is awful on its own because, like I said, this is like this static mid-range bicep curl, which I know 15 pounds isn't that heavy, but it's also you're balancing it, and doing other stuff while holding it. It's intense. A lot better than I would have ever thought. I know I just said that, but just to reiterate. Okay, so the next step is to mill them both at the same time. And so as you cast this one forward, say in your right hand, your body orientation is perfect to have the other one behind you. And as you come around, you can go right back into the next one. And so it's a coordination thing, and it's not going to come all of a sudden. It's going to take some practice, like everything with the mace and the club. Some practice is required. Okay, so here we go. Oh my God. Okay, so that was terrible. Let me regroup for a second. All right, we got it. We'll do this one first. Okay, so that was still not great, but this is a work in progress. I really am excited about this because I feel like, number one, getting it dialed. Like, you can really feel it when everything's on point. everything moves properly and it feels really good and really smooth. And then you really feel it when stuff's flopping around. My left arm, particularly in the front part of the cast, I keep like casting it out and not in. But yeah, the coordination required is immense. So it's super fun, a lot of fun to practice. I'm excited to see where it goes, where we can start maybe building some load with it. You know, get to where I'm doing, 10 kgs a hand, stuff like that. It's pretty exciting. So anyway, that's what I'm up to. Hope you guys are doing good. If you have any questions, hit us up in the comments, and we'll catch you on the next video.